Hello and welcome back to one of my videos. Today we are going to be teaching you how to use Tinkercad. First you're going to go to tinkercad.com. Should take you to this thing right here. If you don't have a thing, if you don't have an account, just go right here and click sign up. If you do have an account, click login. I have an account, so I'm going to click login. If it's one of these, if you're like in school, students with class code or a student account, but I'm going to be having a personal account. I'm going to just sign in with Google, or I can just go join in with Tinkercad, but I'm going to sign in with Google. Alrighty, so now that I'm in my main screen, there's a whole bunch of things you can do here. You can go to your settings here and change out your stuff. You can create a new design. There's 3 different design things that you can do on Tinkercad. You can do a 3D design. You can do a circuit, which is basically a circuit of a like a circuit. It's a circuit, and you can do code blocks. And there's this. They've got tutorials. They've got challenges. We're gonna make a 3D design. Okay, now we're in our main thing. You can hold right click to hold your thing down. Scroll to zoom in and out. You can from here you can start building your thing. They've got a whole bunch of things that you could do. So I'm just gonna do something really simple here, like this. There we go. Nice. Anyway, you can hold left click and do that and select all of them. And if you click delete, it deletes them all. You can also bring in stuff from your other stuff. So I'm going to quickly bring in a Steve. There we go, Steve. And it should be coming in here. There, now we got Steve here. There's that. That's how you bring in stuff, models that you've already got. And you can just edit that from here. So like I can give him a little hat. It's a terrible hat, but it's a hat. It's a little witch's hat. It's a little late for Halloween, isn't it? It's not supposed to be a witch's hat, but that's what it looks like it is. But I'm just gonna, yeah, there's that. You can also draw with stuff. So like if I wanted to draw like a little smiley face on him. There, now he has a little smiley face on him. Anyway, you can also, they also have something called SimLab, where it adds in gravity. Since I didn't precisely place that, you can also throw stuff at it. You can also turn it into Minecraft. Well, I think. You can also turn it into Legos. These are just the layers and stuff, how detailed you want it. So like if I wanted a really detailed Lego minifigure, there's that. You could do that, and there's that. You can use this to put holes and stuff. So you do that. Now you can do that, and then if you click group, it groups them into one shape. Since it was a little box that was deleted, it now he has a little hole in him. But I don't want a hole in him, so I'm just gonna delete that. Anyway, there's that. So once you're ready to get your 3D model, you click export, which is right here, and then you click the whatever design, whatever format you need it in for your 3D printer, or you don't even have to use a 3D printer for it. There are companies that will print it for you. But for me, I'm gonna do STL. It should pop up right here, where you can do it from what slice program you do. And that's basically it. There's a couple other things that you can do, like do a note like this is Steve's head. That's basically a note that you can do. You could do. There's a whole bunch of other stuff that you can do. Like you can do. They have a whole bunch of other stuff that you can use. There's one other thing I want to show you is that if you come back here to the main menu, you can click this and you can search for what other people have built and posted. So like if I wanted a Minecraft Steve, it should come up to here. They can get pretty interesting. There's that. And that's basically it. So like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.